alcohol, phenol and ether. Chapter name is alcohol, phenol and ether. It is the second chapter of your second NCERT book, alcohol, phenol and ether. So first of all, this chapter we will discuss in three part. This chapter we will discuss in three part. Alcohol, one part, phenol, second part, and ether, third part. The whole chapter we will discuss in three part: alcohol, phenol and ether. Now see what is written. Alcohol, phenol and ethers are the basic compounds for the formation of detergent, एंटीसेप्टिक्स, फ्रेग्रेंसेस। ठीक है, मीन्स अल्कोहल, फिनॉल और ईथर का यूज सबसे ज्यादा किस में होता है? डिटर्जेंट इंडस्ट्रीज में, एंटीसेप्टिक्स मेडिसिन में एंड फ्रेग्रेंस मीन्स जो आपके डीओ वगैरह आते हैं उसमें होता है. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस फर्स्ट alcohols. I'm going to start the alcohols. I will send this PDF today, and this PDF contain approx 53 pages, and whole PDF is related to alcohol. पूरा PDF किससे related है? Alcohol से. So hello, whose mic is on? Piyush, can you tell me whose mic is on? Piyush. So we
No
are
one,
going. Yes, Piyush.
no one's mic is on now.
Okay, thank you everyone. If voice or screen anything have any problem, then please inform me. Yes, screen and voice both are clear. Yes, yes, are you there?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, thank you. Now alcohol, phenols and ethers. I'm going to start first alcohol. Alcohol I'm going to start. So in the first two pages, I will discuss the two things, alcohol and phenol, just a definition. And then after the rest part of the phenol, we will discuss when it will be start. And the rest part of this PDF will contain only the alcohols. So first of all, what are alcohols and what is the difference between the alcohols and phenols? Both are containing the suffix all. दोनों में suffix all है. Then what is the difference between alcohol and phenol? So the difference is here कि alcohol is aliphatic system and phenol is aromatic system. Both are containing the hydroxyl group. दोनों में हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप होता है. अल्कोहल एंड फिनॉल बोथ आर कंटेनिंग द हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप. जस्ट डिफरेंस इज दिस कि अल्कोहल इज एलिफेटिक सिस्टम एंड फिनॉल इज एरोमेटिक सिस्टम. मीन्स फिनॉल इज द बेंजीन रिंग कंपाउंड in which the OH is directly attached to benzene ring. फिनॉल वर्ड जहां आएगा आपको तुरंत समझ जाना है कि फिनॉल इज aromatic compound, means benzene ring compound which contain the OH directly to the carbon of benzene ring. So phenol का मतलब ये है aromatic and alcohol का मतलब है aliphatic, means open chain or cyclic system which contain the OH, that is hydroxyl group. So the symbol of alcohol and phenol is functional group is hydroxyl group or alcoholic group, but the difference is here alcohol is aliphatic system, open chain system or cyclic system, and phenol is aromatic system, means benzene ring compound. So what is written there? See alcohol ka definition. What you will write the definition of alcohol and phenol. So your heading will be alcohol. In alcohol, you will write an alcohol contain one or more hydroxyl group directly attached to the carbon atom of an aliphatic system. Aliphatic system के कार्बन से OH group directly attach होता है, that is called alcohol. Next heading will be phenol. Phenol A contains the OH group directly attached to the carbon of aromatic system. फिनॉल में एरोमेटिक सिस्टम से डायरेक्ट कार्बन से OH अटैच होता है एंड फिनॉल का फॉर्मूला C6H5OH you will write, then you will draw the structure of phenol, that is benzene ring contain OH. Now next, alcohol and phenol both. Now we are entering in the classification. Now we are going to discuss the classification. So as usual, in the haloalkane, we have seen the classification primary, secondary, tertiary. We have seen the classification allylic, alkyl and benzyl and mono di tri. So first classification is here mono di tri or polyhydric. Hydric word means OH containing compound, means one OH containing compound, two OH containing compound, three OH containing compound. ठीक है, it contain 1 2 3 or many hydroxyl groups. So you will write this statement and then after these examples. In this one OH is there, that is mono, all or monohydric compound. It contain the 2 OH. So dihydric compound, it contain the 3. So trihydric compound, it contain the 1 OH. Monohydric, it contain the 2 OH. Dihydric, it contain the 3 OH. Trihydric. So the name monohydric, dihydric, trihydric is the common name. It is just on the basis of number of OH. So it is showing in aliphatic system also and aromatic system also. Then after, now the next classification is first degree, second degree and third degree alcohol. As like the haloalkanes was there, जैसे haloalkanes था, first degree haloalkane, second degree haloalkane, third degree haloalkane. और primary haloalkane, primary alkyl halide, secondary haloalkane, secondary alkyl halide and tertiary haloalkane, tertiary alkyl halide. Same is here, first degree alcohol, second degree alcohol, third degree alcohol, and the information is similar. वहाँ क्या बोला जाता था, that place I had informed you कि if halogen is attached with the first degree carbon, if halogen is attached with the first degree carbon, then that is called first degree haloalkane. If halogen is attached with any second degree carbon, then that is called second degree haloalkane. And if halogen is attached any third degree carbon, then it is called third degree haloalkane. This was in previous chapter. How can we identify primary, secondary and tertiary? Same is here. At the place of halogen atom, there will be hydroxyl group. So if hydroxyl group will be attached with first degree carbon, then that hydroxyl group, that alcohol will be primary alcohol. If hydroxyl group will be attached with second degree carbon, then that alcohol will be secondary alcohol. If hydroxyl group will be attached with third degree carbon, then that will be tertiary alcohol. So remember, if hydroxyl group is attached with first degree carbon, degree of carbon I informed you that carbon is directly attached with how many carbon, वो कार्बन डायरेक्ट कितने कार्बन से अटैच है. दिस कार्बन इज, if I will change the color, this carbon is directly attached to one carbon, so it is first degree carbon. This carbon is directly attached to two carbon, so it is second degree carbon. This carbon is directly attached to three carbon, so it is third degree carbon. You just need to see कि where the OH is present. OH जहाँ पर है, just OH जहाँ पर है, सर्कल दैट OH. उस OH को आप क्या करिए, सर्कल करिए एंड चेक इट कि वेयर इट अटैच्ड. सो इट अटैच विद दिस कार्बन, और उस कार्बन को चेक करिए दैट कार्बन इज अटैच डायरेक्टली विथ हाउ मेनी कार्बन, वो डायरेक्ट कितने कार्बन से अटैच है. इफ दैट विल अटैच विथ वन कार्बन, सो दैट विल बी फर्स्ट डिग्री कार्बन. इफ अटैच विथ टू कार्बन, directly attached. Remember this word, directly attached, not indirectly. And if attached with 3 carbon as like here, then that will be third degree. So primary, secondary, tertiary means first degree, second degree, third degree. So your next heading will be there, primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. You will write this heading. Then you will write that alcohol in which hydroxyl group is attached with first degree carbon, that is called primary alcohol. Then this example you will write. Now next, secondary के लिए just change the paragraph, change the line, and you will write when hydroxyl group is attached with second degree carbon, then that is called secondary alcohol or second degree alcohol. Then you will write this example. Then paragraph change, line change, that alcohol in which hydroxyl group is attached with third degree carbon, that is called tertiary or third degree alcohol. Then after you will write this example. So primary, secondary, tertiary. Now next classification. Next classification is allyl alcohol. Allyl alcohol. Same condition as like in previous chapter. Just change the word haloalkane की जगह alcohol. So when hydroxyl group attach with sp3 carbon and that sp3 carbon attach with sp2 carbon. When hydroxyl group attach with sp3 carbon and that sp3 carbon attach with sp2 carbon, then that alcohol is called allyl alcohol. That alcohol is called allyl alcohol. This is primary allyl alcohol. This is secondary allyl alcohol. This is tertiary or third degree allyl alcohol. So overall, these all are the example of allyl alcohol. Previous chapter, the topic was there allyl halide. एलिल हैलाइड, वहां बताया गया था कि व्हेन हाइलोजन अटैच विथ sp3 कार्बन एंड दैट sp3 कार्बन अटैच विथ sp2 कार्बन, देन दैट कंपाउंड इज कॉल्ड एलिल हैलाइड. तो वहाँ हाइलोजन अटैच किए थे. सेम डिफिनीशन यू विल राइट, जस्ट टू चेंजेस विल बी देयर. एट द प्लेस ऑफ हाइलोजन यू विल राइट द हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप, and at the place of halide you will write the alcohol. So when OH group or hydroxyl group attach with sp3 carbon and that sp3 carbon attach with sp2 carbon, then that is called allyl alcohol. Allyl alcohol. ठीक है. Now next, benzyl alcohol. In previous the topic was there benzyl halide. Here the topic is benzyl alcohol. So benzyl word is given to the name for the structure. Benzene contain CH2. Benzene contain CH2. This structure is called benzyl. Benzyl. And the carbon attached with benzene ring direct, that is called benzylic carbon. ठीक है, that is called benzylic carbon. So benzyl I informed you कि remember बेंजीन इज C6H6. बेंजीन को C6H6 कहते हैं. एंड C6H5 इज नोन एज फेनिल. फेनिल का मतलब है C6H5. बट बेंजिल और बेंजाइल, इट्स मीन्स बेंजीन contains CH2 and hydroxyl group will be attached with that CH2, not direct with benzene ring. So remember, this is not aromatic compound. In haloarene also, in haloalkane also I informed you in previous chapter कि बेंजिल हैलाइड इज नॉट एरोमेटिक. बेंजिल हैलाइड एरोमेटिक नहीं होता है. इफ द क्वेश्चन विल बी देयर, एनीवन विल आस्क कि व्हाई बेंजिल हैलाइड इज नॉट एरोमेटिक, इट हैज द बेंजीन रिंग. then you will say when halogen will directly attach to the carbon of benzene ring, then only it is called aromatic halide or aryl halide. Here halogen is attached with the open chain, that is CH2, and then CH2 attached with benzene ring. So halogen is not directly attached with benzene. So this is not the same. Will be there benzyl alcohol. Heading will be there benzyl alcohol, and then after you will write when hydroxyl group or single bond OH group attached to, ठीक है, sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to aromatic ring. aromatic ring से जो sp3 hybridized carbon attach होता है, when hydroxyl group or single bond OH group will be attached at that carbon, then that is called benzyl alcohol. तब उसको कहते हैं benzyl alcohol. और in normal way you can write simple way, when single bond OH group is attached with benzylic carbon. जब सिंगल बॉन्ड OH बेंजिलिक कार्बन से अटैच होता है, दिस कार्बन इज कॉल्ड बेंजिलिक कार्बन. तो आपको इतना कहने की जरूरत नहीं है. बेंजिलिक कार्बन, देन दैट इज कॉल्ड बेंजिल एल्कोहल. नाउ so what we had discussed, once again a quick revision: what is alcohol, what is phenol, what is the difference between alcohol and phenol, then what are classification of alcohols and phenols. So first classification is on the basis of number of OH group. If one OH group is there, that is monohydric. Two OH group is there, dihydric. Three OH group is there, trihydric, and more than three is there, then polyhydric. So these are the next one, that is primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol. Means on the basis of the degree of carbon at which the OH group is attached. If OH group is attached at first degree carbon, that is called primary alcohol. If OH group is attached at second degree carbon, that is called secondary alcohol. If OH group is attached at third degree carbon, then it is called tertiary alcohol. Examples. Now, allyl alcohol, when single bond OH group is attached with the sp3 hybridized carbon, and that sp3 hybridized carbon attached with sp2 hybridized carbon, or when OH group is attached at allylic carbon. ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं. Two ways are here. When OH group is attached sp3 hybridized carbon, and that sp3 hybridized carbon attached with sp2 hybridized carbon, then that is called allyl alcohol. Or when single bond OH group is attached to an allylic carbon, then that is called allyl alcohol. Then example, then benzyl alcohol, when OH group is attached at benzylic carbon, that is called benzyl alcohol. One way. Second way, when OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to an aromatic ring, that is called benzylic alcohol. Now the final one, that is vinylic alcohol. In previous chapter the topic was there vinyl halide, वहाँ था vinylic halide, यहाँ है vinylic alcohol. So when single bond OH group is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon or double bonded carbon, when single bond OH group or hydroxyl group is directly attached with sp2 hybridized carbon or double bonded carbon, then that compound is called vinylic alcohol. तब उस कंपाउंड को कहते हैं vinylic alcohol. So remember, when OH is attached, देखिए OH attached with which type of carbon, that is the classification basis. OH attached first degree carbon, that is primary. OH attached second degree carbon, secondary. OH attached third degree carbon, tertiary. OH attached with allylic carbon, allyl alcohol. OH attached with benzylic carbon, benzyl alcohol. OH attached with vinylic carbon, means sp2 hybridized carbon, then that is vinylic alcohol or vinyl alcohol. So this is about the classification. ये classification था. Now one question is here कि classify the following as primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. It is not asking vinyl alcohol, it is not asking benzyl alcohol, it is not asking allyl alcohol, it is not asking monohydrate, dihydrate, trihydrate. The question is asking the basis primary, secondary and tertiary. So for primary, secondary and tertiary, what is the logic? The logic is there कि OH attach, बस OH देखिए, OH attach with the carbon. Now see that carbon is directly attached with how many carbon? वो कार्बन डायरेक्ट कितने कार्बन से अटैच है? इट मीन्स द डिग्री. सो दिस कार्बन इज मीन्स दिस कार्बन इज द OH containing carbon and it is directly attached with one carbon. ये डायरेक्टली बस एक कार्बन से अटैच है. So this carbon is first degree carbon, and if the OH attached with first degree carbon, so that compound is primary alcohol or first degree alcohol. Now in this OH containing carbon is this one, and this carbon is directly attached with one carbon, so this is also first degree alcohol. Vinyl है, benzyl है, allyl है, it is not asking, only primary, secondary, tertiary. Now next, in this OH is attached with this carbon, and this carbon is again directly attached with one carbon, so this is also first degree. In this OH is attached with this carbon, and this carbon is attached with two carbon, one carbon of benzene ring and one carbon of CH3. So this carbon is attached with two carbon, so this is second degree carbon, so this is second degree alcohol. Now next, OH is attached with this carbon, and this carbon again attach one side CH3 one carbon, another side CH2 another carbon, so this CH is attached with two carbon, so this is also the second degree carbon, means second degree alcohol or secondary alcohol. In this OH is attached with this carbon, and this carbon is one side attached, upper side CH3 one carbon, lower side CH3 one carbon, and left side CH third carbon. So this carbon is attached with three carbons, so this carbon is third degree carbon, and the alcohol will be tertiary alcohol. Alcohol will be tertiary alcohol. So how can we find the primary, secondary, tertiary? The examples are here. Is that clear? Anyone? Ragini, Priyal, Sweta, Lakshmi, koi anyone? Please unmute and tell me. This topic is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So classification, that once again, see, this is the introduction part. Alcohol, what is alcohol, इसका definition लिखेंगे. What is phenol, its definition. Then classification of alcohol, mono, di, tri. Why mono, why di, why tri. Then primary, secondary, tertiary. then allyl alcohol heading, benzyl alcohol heading, vinyl alcohol heading, then these examples. Now nomenclature, so you know from class 11th IUPAC nomenclature. In nomenclature, what is there? In nomenclature, the alcoholic group is using the suffix. Alcoholic group suffix use करता है. Remember the word suffix. Suffix means after the name of root word. Suffix का मतलब होता है root word के नाम के बाद it is added. And prefix it means it is attached or added for the root word. So in haloalkane में what we are using, haloalkane में क्या यूज होता है? प्रीफिक्स. haloalkane is not having any suffix of this group. haloalkane में कोई suffix नहीं होता है. haloalkane में prefix यूज करते हैं. If you will, I'm going to give you some example. What you are writing, chloroalkane मतलब क्लोरो पहले लिख रहे हैं. एल्केन इज द मेन चेन. आयोडोब्यूटेन, आपने कभी ऐसा नहीं देखा होगा ब्यूटेन आयोडो. पेंटेन क्लोरो, दिस टाइप ऑफ नॉमेनक्लेचर इज नॉट डन इन हैलोएल्केन. ठीक है, इन द नेम यू कैन से. ठीक है, क्लोरोप्रोपेन. क्लोरोप्रोपेन आप लिखते हो तो क्लोरो वर्ड पहले लिखते हो, मीन्स हैलोजन का नाम पहले लिखते हो. सो हैलोजन इज यूज एज प्रीफिक्स. पहले हैलोजन देन रूट वर्ड. बट इन एल्कोहल, एल्कोहल में सफिक्स यूज किया जाता है. ठीक है, प्रीफिक्स इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड. हाइड्रिक वर्ड इज द प्रीफिक्स विच इज यूज्ड व्हेन हायर फंक्शनल ग्रुप विल बी देयर. मल्टी फंक्शनल, तो अभी हम मल्टी फंक्शनल की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. सो रिमेंबर, in alcohol, in the IUPAC name of alcohol, we will use the suffix. हम suffix use करते हैं and that suffix will be all. वो suffix होता है all, OL, not ALL, it's all. ठीक है, and that suffix is used or written or added just after the root word. Means butane all, pentane all, propane all, means whatever the root word, after that we will write the suffix all. So remember this, in haloalkane we are using the prefix, but in alcohol we will use the suffix. ठीक है, see what is written, suffix, and with the suffix we will write the position in numerals. पोजीशन, वो OH ग्रुप कहाँ पर है, दैट इज फर्स्ट पोजीशन. देन वी विल राइट 1 ऑल, सेकेंड पोजीशन 2 ऑल, थर्ड पोजीशन 3 ऑल, दैट इज विथ पोजीशन. सफिक्स इज रिटन विथ पोजीशन. ठीक है, बाकी ये सब आपका यही दिखला रहा है. नाउ सी, हियर इज द कॉमन नेम, here is its IUPAC name and the structure as in previous chapter was there. So see, CH3OH, so CH3 is methane, methane में OH लगा है all, so IUPAC name is methanol. CH3, CH2, CH2OH, so numbering we will start from that side where the OH group will be nearest one. So its name will be फर्स्ट रूट वर्ड, बिकॉज इसका सफिक्स यूज करना, तो रूट वर्ड इज प्रोपेन, देन पोजीशन 1 and then the suffix all, propane 1 all, means it is saying 3 carbon chain is there in which the first carbon is containing the all, means OH group. In methane we will not do the numbering because it is having just 1 carbon. Now in this, अगर इसमें देखते हैं, so again 3 carbon chain, numbering we will start from that side from where the OH will be at the nearest position. So from both the side, either left or right, OH will be comes at second position. So we can start the numbering from any side. So its name will be first root word. देखिए सब में पहले root word लिखा है because all is the suffix, all suffix है. ठीक है, so propane and hello, is there any problem? Anyone please unmute and tell me in screen or voice. Anyone have any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. So see the name propane to all. Propane to. Second is the position. That is the number of carbon where the all means OH is present. Now in the next one, in the same way, next one for this compound, we will start the numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, so it is 4 carbon containing compound. So butane, then first is the position of that carbon where the OH is present. So that is 1 and all. Butane 1 all. In the same way, ये नाम, ये नाम, ये नाम. In this, if ये सारा आप रिवाइज कर लीजिएगा. रिमेंबर दिस वर्ड glycerol. I had informed you कि in your examination question paper the common name will be there and question will ask कि write its IUPAC name. फार्मूला बहुत कम देता है, फार्मूला आने का चांस बहुत कम है बिकॉज फार्मूला क्लास 10th से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं. बट कॉमन नेम टर्ट ब्यूटिल एल्कोहल, आइसोब्यूटिल एल्कोहल, मे बी ग्लिसरॉल. क्वेश्चन विल बी देयर, राइट द IUPAC नेम ऑफ ग्लिसरॉल. ग्लिसरॉल का IUPAC नेम क्या है? तो ग्लिसरॉल का स्ट्रक्चर आपको मालूम होना चाहिए. ग्लिसरॉल इज 3 कार्बन कंपाउंड इन विच ऑल द कार्बन कंटेन द OH ग्रुप. सो नंबरिंग वी कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम एनी वन साइड. किसी भी साइड से नंबरिंग शुरू कर सकते हैं बिकॉज सेम नंबरिंग पैटर्न विल बी कम फ्रॉम लेफ्ट और राइट, नो मैटर. नाउ फर्स्ट रूट वर्ड प्रोपेन 1 2 3 तीनों पे all 3 position have OH. Tri-all means 3 OH is there, that's why tri-all. Propane 1 2 3 tri-all. So remember this glycerol is the most important one out of these 7-8 examples. So this is the IUPAC nomenclature. Now next, IUPAC nomenclature of cyclic compound. So cyclic compound but not aromatic, it is aliphatic cyclic compound. So in this the word cyclo is used as prefix, as you know. It is 6 carbon chain. So hexane, at the first carbon OH is present, all hexanol, but hexanol is open chain. How can you recognize कि it is cyclic chain? Then that's why the word cyclo is there. तो जिस नाम में cyclo word लिखा होगा it means that is the cyclic structure. वो cyclic structure है. 1 2 numbering, the OH will get the 1 position, first position. So 2 पे methyl, 2 methyl, cyclo, cyclic compound is there, pentane 1 all. 1 is your choice, you want to write or not write. Now next we will discuss the preparation of alcohol. अब हमको डिस्कस करना है that is preparation of alcohols. So alcohols are prepared by 3, that is from alkenes, by reduction and from Grignard reagent. In by reduction you can write by reduction of carbonyl compound. आप हेडिंग दे दीजिएगा by reduction of carbonyl compound. By reduction of carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound. Now from alkene means we can remember the previous chapter में हाइलो एल्केन बनाने का कितना मेथड था? 3 मेथड. One was there from alcohol, we can prepare from alcohol. Second was there from hydrocarbon, that is alkane, alkene, alkyne. Third was there by halogen exchange method. Then after preparation of haloarene was there. So haloarene बनाने का कितना मेथड था? 2. That is by ES reaction and by Sandmeyer reaction. So same is here. How many methods are here to prepare an alcohol? एल्कोहल को प्रिपेयर करने का कितना मेथड है? So alcohols are prepared from 3 alcohols. In your syllabus I am saying it is not the whole organic part कि केवल 3 ही मेथड है. नो, 3 ही मेथड नहीं है. it is having more than 3 methods, but in your syllabus these 3 are given. So from alkene we can prepare the alcohol from alkene. Alkene है, that is double bonded compound, by reduction of carbonyl compound and from Grignard reagent. From alkene we will discuss the two, that is by acid catalyzed hydration and by hydroboration oxidation. By acid catalyzed hydration and by hydroboration oxidation. Hydroboration oxidation is the name reaction. ये नेम रिएक्शन है. By reduction of carbonyl compound. Now the question is there कि what are carbonyl compound? ये carbonyl compounds क्या होते हैं? ठीक है. So those organic compound which contain the C double bond O, वे ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड जो C डबल बॉन्ड O कंटेन किए होते हैं, which are having the C double bond O in any form, that are called कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड. उनको कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड कहते हैं. C डबल बॉन्ड O. नाउ दिस C डबल बॉन्ड O इज प्रेजेंट इन एल्डिहाइड. एल्डिहाइड का सिंबल होता है CHO, तो C डबल बॉन्ड O आया. इट प्रेजेंट इन कीटोन. कीटोन का सिंबल होता है RCOR डैश, सो C डबल बॉन्ड O आया. इट प्रेजेंट इन कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड का सिंबल होता है C डबल बॉन्ड O सिंगल बॉन्ड OH, सो C डबल बॉन्ड O आया. ईस्टर. ईस्टर ईस्टर का सिंबल होता है RCOOR डैश, सो C डबल बॉन्ड O आया. सो C डबल बॉन्ड O इज प्रेजेंट इन एनी ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड इन एनी वे. उसके लेफ्ट क्या है, राइट क्या है, इससे मतलब नहीं है. C डबल बॉन्ड O है, then that is called carbonyl compound. In carbonyl compound some more are there, anhydrides are there, then acyl halides are there, but in your syllabus there are given 4: aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid and ester. कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड में आपके कितने हैं, 4 आपके में है, एल्डिहाइड, कीटोन, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड एंड ईस्टर. एंड व्हाट आर कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड? देन दोज ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड विच कंटेन द C डबल बॉन्ड O, जिसमें C डबल बॉन्ड O होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड. एल्डिहाइड, कीटोन, carboxylic acid, ester. If someone will ask कि how C double bond O is present in aldehyde, then aldehyde होता है R and functional group is CHO. So CHO में C single bond H, C double bond O. So C double bond O comes there. Ketone, its symbol is R, CO, R dash. So it also contains C double bond O. So these are carbonyl compound. Now see, carbonyl compound means aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid and ester. If we have these 4, we can prepare the alcohol from these 4. By which reaction? Reduction. So which chemical reaction, which type of chemical reaction is responsible for preparation of alcohol from carbonyl compound? Carbonyl compound से alcohol बनाने के लिए कौन सा reaction use होता है? That is reduction. Remember the name, reduction. I informed you, organic chemistry में बहुत ज़्यादा reaction नहीं, only 4 or 5 you need to recognize. That is SN reaction, nucleophilic reaction is there, or substitution reaction is there. Overall तो substitution reaction is there, elimination reaction is there, addition reaction is there, reduction reaction is there, oxidation reaction is there and cyclic. So here which reaction is going to take place? Reduction. Means all the carbonyl compound will be reduced, then form the alcohol. And next, from Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent you have seen in first chapter, that is R MgX alkyl magnesium halide. So we can prepare the alcohol from Grignard reagent also. In this there are three ways. First, Grignard reagent react with methanol, Grignard reagent react with other aldehyde, and Grignard reagent react with ketone. If Grignard reagent react with methanol, any Grignard reagent react with methanol, that is HCHO, that is HCHO, first member of aldehyde, then it will form primary alcohol, means first degree alcohol. If you want to prepare first degree alcohol, then Grignard reagent must be react with methanol only, केवल methanol से ही reaction कराएंगे. Now, if Grignard reagent will react with any other aldehyde like ethanol, propanol, butanol, pentanol, hexanol, any other aldehyde, then it forms second degree alcohol. And if Grignard reagent react with ketone, then it forms third degree alcohol. Remember this information for preparation of third degree alcohol or for formation of tertiary alcohol. Which of the following will be react with Grignard reagent? Grignard reagent से कौन react करेगा? Methanol, aldehyde, other aldehyde और ketones. Then your answer will be ketone. थर्ड डिग्री बनाने के लिए कीटोन से, सेकेंड डिग्री बनाने के लिए other aldehyde then methanol, not any aldehyde, other aldehyde. Remember the word any aldehyde नहीं लिखा है. other aldehyde then methanol, methanol नहीं होगा, बाकी कोई ले सकते हैं. And if methanol will be there, then that will be form only first degree alcohol.